Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate photos on this device. Okay, so once you have taken your photo, simply open up your gallery, and now simply select the photo that you are interested in. For example, I'm gonna select this one. It's a simple screenshot. And now to rotate this photo, click on the edit button right in here. Make sure that you have selected the first option, which is on the left side. And now if you want to rotate this photo, you have that small icon right in here on the middle. Click on that to rotate the photo that you have. Okay, so now you can rotate to a 90 angle, but if you do it from here, you can grab this bar and change the rotation. And if you want to save the changes, simply click on save, click on save copy, boom, and now our copy has been saved. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.